Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank in the RVer Frank garage. There's the flare buried still in the garage while the outdoor landscaping is taking place. Time to start inwards here and try to get this thing in shape. There's the hot water heater, which will be a future project to get hooked up to that sink. Well, let's take a look back here. I've done a little bit of clearing, but still, what a mess getting through all of this stuff. Will eventually be put away nice and neat, but until then I got to get that loft built back here. And I began stacking things along the side wherever I can find a space. I'll be bringing wood probably through this side area here. Cleared a small path to get through there. I'll probably bang into those slide outs a few times. But I've managed to find places to stash things away under the RV, in the RV, wherever I'll find a empty spot. But this is the area that I'll be constructing that loft and giving me all the space I need. So let's look to an earlier shot of this area before we moved in. Okay, this is the area for the proposed loft. I've considered the power receptacles and the distance that the RV is going to be parked in here. There's the sewer, the 50 amp power. There's some 120 duplex receptacles around the area here. But I think this would be a great area for that additional storage, a workbench. I've drawn up a sketch which kind of shows the construction of it. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's a very crude isometric drawing which shows the overall loft construction with the stairs going to the upper deck where there is no handrail or storage shelves reflected in this drawing. You see a workbench below, and there'll be some other storage shelves underneath the stairway. But overall, this gives an idea of what the configuration of that loft is going to look like. This is a drawing which shows the top, front, and side view. You can see the bill of materials to the right. So let's take a look at the top view. And as you can see, there's standard wood construction. The overhead storage area floor joists are on 16-inch centers using 2x6 stud length kiln dried lumber, with the stairwell going up to the right. Below is the workbench. There's no, of course, plywood or shelving depicted in this top view. Let's take a look at the front view. You can see here a 7-foot high dimension from the floor to the bottom of the floor joist. Looking straight on is the workbench structure and the stairwell to the right. And in looking at the side view, you can see the stairwell as well as some additional storage shelving underneath the stairwell section of the loft. Okay, so let's take another look at what this loft might look like. With all that said, it won't be aluminum, but it'll be wood painted gray. The broken line on the floor depicts where the motorhome is placed. Below is a workbench with plenty of shelving for all of the items I need to store. And behind the stairwell in back, you'll see additional shelving and other floor space in addition to storage underneath the stairwell itself. And last but not least is the upper storage area. There will be a storage rack like this one here, also on the other side of this upper platform. I believe this design will meet my needs along with the work building out back, to conduct projects and other maintenance items on the RV. I would be interested in hearing feedback on this design, and if there's any ideas you have to make this a better work area, comment below. Over the next few days, I'll continue to clear the area out to make a better path to begin construction, and begin purchasing the materials again in the next few days. So stay tuned, and I'll post updates on this production effort.